PNG Opposition accuses PM Marape of parade of pretense at Sydney Investment Week by Red Alert Team. The Papua New Guinea Opposition has sharply criticized Prime Minister James Marape over his participation in the recent PNG Investment Week in Sydney, describing the trip as a parade of pretense that failed to deliver tangible economic benefits for the country. Opposition leader James Nomane led the charge, accusing the government of overstating the event's achievements, while ordinary Papua New Guineans continue to face economic pressure at home. According to statements released by the opposition, the Sydney engagement produced no significant foreign investment commitments, despite the government's claims of strengthened partnerships and renewed investor interest. Nomane argued that the event served more as a public relations exercise than a platform for securing real economic gains for PNG's struggling economy. The opposition further criticized the Marape government for what it described as lavish spending on overseas trips, alleging that such travel has done little to address critical issues such as rising inflation, job scarcity, and declining confidence in the domestic business environment. They claim the government continues to prioritize international appearances over delivering meaningful reforms that would boost investor certainty and economic stability. Nomane said the Prime Minister's delegation failed to secure new major investments, particularly in key industries such as mining, energy, and agriculture, where PNG urgently needs renewed private sector participation. He questioned why substantial deals have not materialized, despite repeated promises from the government that foreign trips would attract investment. The opposition also highlighted what they called a widening gap between government rhetoric and economic reality, pointing to deteriorating public services and growing social challenges across the country. They maintained that events like Investment Week should focus on measurable outcomes, rather than promotional speeches and photo opportunities. Prime Minister Marape and his ministers have previously defended such trips as necessary for maintaining international confidence and showcasing PNG's potential to global markets. However, the opposition insists that the Sydney event demonstrates the need for more focused, accountability-driven engagement strategies to bring real economic benefits to Papua New Guinea.